I believe this model is among the best I've created thus far. Its excellence lies in its ability to produce physically accurate, consistent, and captivating shots that amaze me. All the videos you've seen so far were created by the Dream Machine model. You can sign up for it without any waiting list. So without hesitation, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Dream Machine is an AI model that rapidly creates high-quality, lifelike videos from text and images. It's a highly scalable and efficient transformer model trained directly on videos, enabling it to generate physically accurate, consistent, and engaging shots. Dream Machine marks our initial stride toward constructing a universal imagination engine, and it's now accessible to everyone. Once you're on the Dream Machine dashboard, click Try Now and navigate to the Create mode. Creating is easy. You'll see the text prompt right away. Simply type or paste your text into the prompt and click the Generate icon to begin. It's that simple. Now let's check out the final result. Next, let's try image to video. Click the image icon inside the text prompt, upload your image, and if you have anything to add, write it in the text prompt. Then click the Generate icon to create the video. Again, it's that simple. Let's see the final result. Before you sign up, make sure you have a Google email to sign up. Thank you for exploring Dream Machine with us. With just a few clicks, you can turn your ideas and imagination into stunning reality. From captivating storytelling to dynamic visualizations, Dream Machine empowers you to bring your concepts to life effortlessly. Best of all, it's free to use, allowing you to generate up to 30 videos every month. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your ideas and imagination into breathtaking videos.